Hello everyone, welcome to Origami Club. So this blue guy is a penguin. See? And now you know, today I would like to share my experience for making a penguin with regular printing paper. So you can see here, there are some information. It means I just use the paper I printed and then I paint it. And if I did not fold a penguin, the paper would go to the recycle bin for recycling. So I often use the regular paper that I could easily find. So I put my penguin here to observe. I make another penguin. This is the regular paper. So I fold the short line to long line and I rotate. I fold back this part, prepare for cut it, because I need a square shape. The regular printing paper in North America is letter sized. It is rectangle. So this is my knife. If the cut edge is not perfect, no problem. Okay. So before it was like this, I cut it away. Now I will fold. I fold corner to corner and corner to corner. And then this way, and I will rotate paper and fold it edge to edge, so side to side. And now I get this shape. So I will push from two sides here. I will hold like this. Then from here I will push also. I get a square shape. And this shape we can also get another way. I fold this way, so edge to edge, and I fold this way, and another side I fold opposite. From this triangle I open from the center, and same thing. So there are two techniques to create a small square. So now I need to fold the four corners inside this side. So firstly I will make lines. My paper is low quality paper. Yesterday when I fold another bird, Canada goose, and I told you that I purchased many papers, but the supplier fraud me. He gave me the too thin paper. It caused the paper jam in my printer. So because it is, I don't want to waste time to explain to him, and I just don't buy any more paper from him, and I use these papers for my origami project. Okay, so I fold inside. I fold inside. So this way also I push the corner inside. Lately you will find I will do many movements like this to fold corners inside. So now I get this shape. So from this side or this side, any side, I will fold downward this polygon from half. So fold down, I get this shape. And now I will fold all these corners inside. So firstly I will fold a triangle. So align this line to center line and align all the lines to the center line to create a line. Okay, so fold two together. Then separate. Okay. No. Okay, this is down. And now I get this shape, but I would like to fold all the corners inside. Okay, so I will fold back also to help this line to be softer. So now look at carefully. I pull from two sides, push from the center of this line, and I push the corner inside. So now this corner is outside, this corner is inside. I will also push this corner inside as well. Okay, same technique. Okay. If here you missed the technique, no problem. I will repeat for all the corners. So I rotate back. This also I fold 2 times. And from here I will push it into inside. Fold like this. This way, same thing. Push. Get inside. And here also. Push inside. So now all the corners are inside. I mean here. The corners here. So now my paper, my polygon is like this. And from here, where I fold down my polygon previously, I will fold this way to get another polygon. Here the line is straight. Now observe carefully. I have 3 small triangles. So here 1, 2, 3. So the 2 on the side will be 2 wings of penguin, and in the center I will use it to fold the penguin's head. So and I will fold the 2 small triangle to the direction of this straight line. So I fold it, and I can align this line, this small line, or I just fold without align to any lines, no problem. So I fold. See, I get this shape, and then I will fold again a little bit down. This part same way, a little bit down. Okay, then I will fold down the this polygon, and I will fold down this also. So the two wings are ready now. This moment I will fold the neck and the head. So from the half I fold this way. I push from top, and then I will open it. I fold here in and out, and then I will close it. Okay. So you can put it down, same as that guy, but you can put it up. Here you can change, you can play. Okay. And now it cannot stand. So in order to help him to stand, I will create feet for him. So from here I open, and from here I pull the valley. This is valley. So to create this shape, here there is a valley, and now it can stand, but it is not a penguin. The tail, okay, you can see I can stand it. Okay, it cannot stand, so I will make this a little bit hard up. So I will fold inside, and then outside. Totally in. And then I drag the corner outside. So the tail, to create a tail. So you can see this is the penguin's tail. And now I can open it. I will try to let it stand. You can see it stands. And now the penguin is ready. So white penguin, but I need to be colorful. So I will paint with crayon. Put another paper here. So I will paint now. I'll paint everything. You can paint before you fold the paper, but you can paint now also. It depends on you. Okay, so okay, I paint the body. Now I will paint the head. The head I would like to paint it a little bit yellow. So will find a pencil to draw the penguin's eyes. Here I paint it to red. This side same way. Okay, so my penguin is ready now. You see, this is my penguin I just created, and this penguin I created a little bit earlier. So two penguins. Both are beautiful. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.